Have you ever wondered if you could make a real income on YouTube? Not just pocket change, we're talking $10,000, even $20,000 per month, and it's not too late to get started. Let me be your guide. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new YouTube channel, step by step, and set it up for maximum growth. Spoiler alert, it's easier and faster than you think. After watching this video, you will be able to start your own channel right away and have the potential to earn thousands of dollars. Let's dive right in. Just follow these steps and you will have a new channel in no time. First thing first, you need a YouTube account. Let's assume you don't have one. Here's what to do. Head to YouTube and click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Since YouTube is a Google product, you'll need a Google account. In this example, I'm setting up a new account specifically for work or business purposes, which keeps it separate from your personal accounts. This will also make it easier if you want to manage multiple YouTube channels. Follow the prompts to set up your Google account. You may also be asked to verify it with a phone number. This might seem annoying right now, but it will help secure your account, and it is essential for your YouTube channel, as you'll discover later. Now that you have a YouTube account, you can create your channel, and this is where the creativity, customization, and fun begin. First up is your channel name, which can be anything you want. Let's say your channel is about motivational content. You can name it something like a daily motivation. Next is your channel handle, which must be unique on YouTube. No two handles can be the same, but don't worry, neither your channel name nor your handle is a permanent commitment. You can change both later if needed. Next, you'll need to upload a profile picture. The ideal size is 800 by 800, and the accepted file types include JPG, BMP, or PNG. Also, it should visually represent the type of content you create. For instance, a gaming channel might have a bold, energetic look, while a personal finance channel may have a more professional, minimalistic design. If you are interested in this topic, comment down below, and I may make a video about it. This is the second most important step after creating your YouTube channel. Go to Settings, then Channel, and then Feature Eligibility. You need to verify your YouTube channel to unlock mission-critical features like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes and adding custom thumbnails. As before, you'll need a phone number for verification. Verifying your YouTube channel is also the first step toward unlocking advanced features, which will allow you to upload more content and monetize your channel in the future. Go back into Settings, and this time go to Upload Defaults. Check out the visibility setting. This determines what happens to a video once it's uploaded to YouTube. It should never, I repeat, never be set to public by default. You'll always want to prepare a video before making it public, including writing a title, adding a description, uploading a thumbnail, and more. So set this to either unlisted or, ideally, private, which means only you can see the video on YouTube until you're ready to make it public. While you're here, go to the Advanced tab and check out comment moderation. If you want to avoid negativity, or if your content might attract trolls, set this to strict. If you make content aimed for children, this next setting is especially important. Under Advanced Settings in the Channel section, you'll need to declare if your content is made for kids. Whether or not you make content for kids, it's best to set a default answer here. Otherwise, you'll need to answer this question every time you upload a video. Now I'm going to show you another reason why you need to pay attention to the security matter as we explore more of YouTube Studio. Head over to the customization screen and click on the Basic Info tab. As mentioned earlier, this is where you can change your YouTube channel name and handle. However, what's more important right now is your contact info at the bottom of the screen. This is an email address that is publicly displayed on YouTube, so make sure it's not the same email you use to log into your YouTube channel. If you do use the same email, you're compromising half of your security. Let's get back to setting up your channel properly. When people visit your channel on a desktop browser or through the YouTube mobile app, they'll see the first 80 or so characters of your description, so make it count. My advice is not to waste these important lines talking about yourself. Instead, focus on the value you're going to deliver to the viewer. Then, fill out the rest of your description with keywords that will help YouTube better understand your channel. Let's move back to the visual elements of your channel. It's time to set up your channel banner. Don't overcomplicate it. The banner should quickly and simply communicate to the viewer. Use visuals that relate to your topic, consider a color scheme and design style that matches your thumbnails to build a cohesive brand, and create a memorable slogan or value proposition that resonates with your target audience. If you want me to cover this topic in full details, comment down below. I may make a video on this in the future. Congrats! You have just created your own channel. But the job doesn't stop there. Here are 5 settings that will ensure you're not ruining your chances of blowing up on YouTube. Not many people know these secrets when they first start out. You now have the chance to be ahead compared to lots of creators out there, so pay attention. top YouTubers understand how essential it is to have people reacting to and talking about their videos. That's why you may want to turn on the setting that allows others to reuse your content. To do this, go to Video Details and change the license from Standard YouTube license to a Creative Commons attribution. I also recommend clicking Allow Shorts Remixing right below it, so that other creators can react to and reuse your content in YouTube Shorts. It's not as if they're just stealing your content. Any shorts that another creator remixes are linked back to your original video. Returning viewers are just as important as new ones, especially if they have a history of watching many of your videos over time. You want to make sure that if they visit your channel, they feel encouraged to watch more of your content. If you check out a popular YouTube channel like Ali Abdaal's and scroll down, you'll notice that his channel is divided into sections tailored to his audience, making it look full and engaging. To set this up on your own channel, go to Customization, then click on Featured Sections. Here, you can add templates like popular videos or shorts. To go the extra mile, create playlists with enticing names, allowing viewers to binge watch an entire playlist as they browse your channel page. YouTube will heavily promote your videos if your viewer session time includes watching several of your videos. The best way to encourage this is by using end screens, and I recommend taking it a step further. When creating a new video, write something at the end that motivates viewers to click on a specific video of yours. This will increase your in-screen click-through rate significantly. Having YouTube suggest a video or simply using a recent video in the end screen works too if you don't want to add extra effort, but I highly recommend this strategy. It's also essential to have a strong brand and encourage people to subscribe. There's a YouTube setting that makes this easier. Go to Customization. Here, you can upload a custom image. Whether it's your profile picture, a logo, or even a photo that says subscribes if you're less concerned about branding specifics, this image will appear as a watermark in the bottom right of the viewer's screen, which is especially helpful if they're watching in full screen, as they won't have to exit to subscribe. This setting is my secret way to boost my channel's visibility. Go to Setting and head to a channel. Here, you can ensure that viewers find your channel based on keywords. This is especially important if your channel name might appear in many other videos. For example, Absolute Motivational's channel name could show up in various other content, which is why one of his keywords is motivation. You want to give viewers as many opportunities as possible to find your content, so take some time to carefully fill in these keywords. Now that you have your own channel, everything's looking great. What now? Well, the next step is to start uploading your content. I mean, you can't start earning income if you don't have videos on, right? To upload a video, you just need to hit this little camera icon with the plus button on the Create button. From there, select Upload Video. It will then prompt us to find the video we want to upload. We'll choose Select a File, pick our file here, and choose Open. This will start the upload process. Simple, right? Most people think the job stops once they upload the videos, but that's not the case. Optimization process can make or break your video, so you do not underestimate it. Here's what you need to pay close attention to. First, enter the video title. Choose a descriptive and keyword-rich title that summarizes the content and encourages clicks. You can use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find the trending keywords. This is essential for maximizing reach and helping YouTube match your video with the right audience. Next, I'll add the video description. I typically prepare this in advance, so I'll copy and paste it here. Lastly, we have YouTube tags. It clearly states here that tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video, but this is still an area where you can provide YouTube with information about your video's content through tags and keywords. So while this box is available, I'd still recommend using it. Why stop at YouTube? Upload your content to other platforms like Gunjing World to widen your reach and revenue. This platform introduces your videos to new audiences and helps you diversify your income sources, all while boosting visibility. You have gone through the basics of starting a YouTube channel, and I bet you can create one for yourself right now. With a solid strategy, it's possible to make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 a month from YouTube. So if you're ready to turn your passion into a real income stream, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.